read it in Bulgarian and then in English. This one, the title of it is Tu, and it's based on Bulgarian and American adages, and they are kind of we'll see. First in Bulgarian. Две. Два остри камъка не могат да мелят брашно. Два остри кокала не могат да направят става. Два камъка могат да счупят много кокали. Можеш да убиеш две птици с един камък или една птица два пъти с думи. And now in English. Two sharp stones can't mill flour. Two sharp bones can't make a joint. Two stones can break most bones. You can kill two birds with one stone, or the same bird twice with words.